In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stop Google Drive sync on PC. By the end, you'll have paused syncing and disconnected your Google Drive account on this computer so files no longer update between your PC and Google Drive. First, click the Google Drive icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. This opens the Google Drive for desktop panel so you can access its controls. Next, click the gear icon, settings, in the top right corner of the panel. This opens the app's quick settings menu. Now click pause syncing. This immediately stops all active file uploads and downloads. You should see the status change to paused, confirming that syncing is on hold. Pausing is helpful if you just need a temporary stop, for example, to save bandwidth or avoid changes while you work. From here, go to Settings, then Preferences. Now, this opens the main Preferences window where you can manage your account connection. We're going here to fully stop Google Drive sync on this PC. Click Disconnect Account. This signs you out of Google Drive for desktop on this computer and stops syncing completely. It affects only this device and does not delete your files from Google Drive. You can reconnect later if you need to resume syncing. At this point, your Google Drive sync is paused and your account is disconnected on the PC. The Drive panel will close and you won't see files syncing or updating in the background anymore. Your setup to stop Google Drive sync on PC is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.